Hey, hi, I'm Sonal. I'm from Mumbai. I was recommended this place from someone who has been very regular here, and treatment here has benefited him and his wife a lot. So I came here around 10 days ago. I had very regular issues of migraine, allergies, cold, and thyroid. Thyroid has been there since 2016, and I have been taking 50 mg of Thyronorm since then. And for cold and migraine, I used to take cetirizine and paracetamol very often, and I wanted to get away from those medicines. So I decided to come here and give this place a try after hearing very good reviews about it, and I came here around 10 days ago. After coming over here, the staff over here, everyone has been very friendly and very warm, and they helped me settle in. The diet was very stringent, but there were a lot of timely intervention as well. From morning 7 o'clock to evening 7:30. There were quite a lot of concoctions and drinks and relaxed things to drink and eat throughout the day. And in treatment there were a lot of interesting options which used to change daily after the consultation. There was mud bath, there was aloe vera plus turmeric bath, there was kanji plus turmeric along with jacuzzi, sauna, and hot oil massage and steam, which was my favorite. Overall, at the end of the 10 days of treatment, I personally feel very energized and fresh. There is the marked difference in how I feel in it. And of course, when I came here on day 1 and when I'm leaving on day 10, there were blood tests which were conducted, and those marker are itself a proof that how much my overall wellness has improved, and the journey to the wellness has just begun. In terms of some key markers, if I have to talk about for my TSH was 4 plus, and because of that I was taking 50 mg of Thyronorm. Now it has come down to less than 0.5, so now I'm tapering it off to 25 mg of Thyronorm. There were other parameters like lipoprotein, vitamin D, CRP, iron, testosterone, which were also quite off the chart. But now when the blood test report has come, the numbers are like really good. I have my blood test report from today with me after 10 days over here, and my vitamin D has improved from 25.5 to 63.3. Hemoglobin has improved from 12.3 to 12.9. Again, my folate is about 24. My vitamin B12 has improved to 495. Ideal range is 211 to 911. Now it is at a very good number of 495. My total cholesterol also saw a good progression. It dropped from 212 to 205. Ideally it should be slightly less than 200, but I couldn't stay here for 21 days, and within just 10 days it has come down significantly. I'm very sure if I would have stayed for 21 days it would have been well within the number it should have been. My LDL has further dropped from 137 to 132, and I have been recommended a list of diet and supplements which I should continue after leaving from here, so that the numbers continues to improve further and remains within the mark. Yes, there were certain parameters like SGOT to SGPT ratio that has also improved. My CRP, which was 3.35 and it should be less than 1.5, has come down to 1.75 in just a matter of 10 days. My lipoprotein has dropped from 100 to 88.4. However, this is still a long journey ahead, but I'm very happy with the progress which I have made over here. My testosterone, which should be between 12.9 to 59.46, was at a very low number of 2.9. Even that has come within the range to 17.7. And most importantly, my iron level, which was just at 33.9, which should be plus 50, that has improved to 50. My transferrin level has improved. So overall I see a lot of progress across all the blood markers, and really happy that I am ending my year on this healthy note, and I'll continue this wellness journey going ahead. Really thankful to Dr. Karthik Reddy. It's over here and his team who has helped me improve my health and well-being in such a great way. Thank you so much.